Reflection of sound. Like light, sound also gets reflected at the surface of a solid or liquid. The reflection of sound follows the same laws as for reflection of light. Angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. The incident wave, reflected wave and the normal lie in the same plane. Sound waves can be reflected by large, hard, smooth, vertical and faraway surfaces. Example, walls, buildings and cliffs. Echoes are produced by the reflection of sounds from such surfaces. The sensation of sound persists in our brain for about 0.1 second. To hear a distinct echo, the time interval between the original sound and the reflected one must be at least 0.1 second. If we take the speed of sound to be 344 meters per second at a given temperature, say 22 degrees Celsius in air, the sound must go back to the obstacle and reach back the ear of the listener on reflection after 0.1 second. Hence, the total distance covered by the sound from the point of generation to the reflecting surface and back should be at least 344 meters per second into 0.1 second is equal to 34.4 meters. Thus, for hearing distant echoes, the minimum distance of the obstacle from the source of sound must be half of this distance, that is 17.2 meters. This distance will change with the temperature of air. Echoes may be heard more than once due to successive or multiple reflections.